Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're gonna be working on TL. If you guys saw my previous video saying um, this car is basically done. It technically is. I'm just doing maintenance work on this. For today, we're gonna be temporarily fixing an oil pan. It's leaking, not as much, but JB Weld was holding it. This is just a temporary fix until once I'm able to find an OEM oil pan, then I should be set or have it welded. I'm trying to have like Christian weld it for me when he's not too busy. So this is putty or epoxy that I don't know how you pronounce that word, epoxy, for the oil pan. A lot of people are doing this and not a lot of people are having any issues with this, so that's a good thing. So that's what I'm going to try doing. If this holds better than the JBL, then I would highly recommend this. So I'm just doing this as a test run. And then I'll be also doing an oil change since, you know, you got to drain out the fluid and everything like that. So, but anywho, so I'm going to give a quick shout out to one of my subscribers. His name's Eric Lee. He saw my post on the TL group page and he was like, hey, give me a shout. I was like, you know what? Why not? You know? Shout out to you, Eric Lee. And we both have the same color tee. I mean, mine's red, so it's not really technically the same, but I like how his build looks because it's white and it has good wheels on it, good camber, and you know, shout out to you. And I hope to see more of your car sometime in the group, or you know, if you follow me on Instagram, I'll follow you back on Instagram. I'll see you. So, but anyway, shout out to you, and shout out to my girlfriend for also giving me my favorite artist's shirt. His name is J Park. This is my favorite shirt. But you know, that's a quick shout out to. So we're gonna start getting we're gonna get started working on TL, but first I'm gonna have to change because I don't want to take this dirty. Alrighty, guys. So this is the oil pan right here. And, I'm trying to squeeze under here. The crack is, oh wow, it's hot. The crack is right here. Okay. So as you can see, the whole entire oil pan has been scraped, and this part has been cracked. So we're gonna put some epoxy to cover this whole entire thing, and then probably can get a custom skate guard for this underbody too. And we're gonna see if we could just cover this up. A lot of people are using this to cover it up, and it should work. I'm stuck. Okay, so now for the epoxy to fully cure, it said set in 4 to 6 hours, here's in 15 to 24 hours. Allow 4 to 6 hours before handling and 15 hours minimum before putting object back in use. Oh my fucking god, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. This is the car I used to take to work. So we're just gonna be letting the epoxy cure for a good 4 to 6 hours. I'll take this, give it a little bit of 5 or mostly 6 to see how it goes. So I'm gonna let it epoxy like this for the next 4 to 6 hours. And then I'm probably gonna start like fixing on those blemishes on the wrap or anything like that. Probably clean the engine bay while I'm at it. And the new oil filter is finally on. I'm gonna be refilling the oil soon, so let's see how this goes. Alrighty, so it's been 1 hour or an hour and 30 of the epoxy being on. So since it's been 1 hour, let's see how it looks. Okay. Yeah, I decided to put it on the whole entire oil can just for the sake of it, you know. So, if anything, because there was like multiple scratches right here, so I decided just to do all instead of like just doing it multiple times. So from the touch of it, it's slowly drying up. It's becoming it's becoming rubberish right now instead of liquidy, and it's getting harder. It's pretty good. So this is about 1 hour and 30 minutes so far. So this is probably the first or second layer already of being laid on. So probably in the next hour or so, let's see how it looks. Then I'm gonna add an extra layer for more protection, but it looks as if nothing is leaking right now. Even though I didn't put the oil in, there's still, like, you know, I wasn't able to take out all the oil. You know, I was able to drain it, but not everything was able to come out. So yeah, so the crack is mainly right here, and it looks like it's holding up very, very well. So yeah, it feels good. So let's see how it looks back in the hour. Alright guys, so 1 hour left before it completely dries, or at least dries to its fullest based on the instructions. So just a little update to see how it goes. Let's see. It's becoming more solid. You can see this part is still oily and wet, but it's getting harder. And then this side is like completely dry, but it's still oily. So yeah, you guys can see my fingers pretty oily. So hopefully it's gonna hold up. It looks as if nothing's coming out, even though there's like a little bit of oil in here still. It's still holding up pretty well. So let's see how everything goes after the hour passed by, and who knows? It's holding up pretty well. Right, so the motor oil has been placed in. I'm letting everything all sit down right now. It's up to its level, and let's check underneath if it's leaking by any chance. And well, since the engine's cold, it's not really leaking. I don't think it's leaking at all. Yeah, I don't see any leaks right now. Epoxy is actually holding up pretty good. Okay, let's see how it looks once the car is on for a couple minutes. Alright, so the car is on, and the car's been running for a good minute or two. And let's check underneath. Yeah, the results are pretty good. I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay, so now the oil pan's fixed, I check if there's any leaks. It's been sitting in the same spot where I was working on. Not hardly, there aren't any oil on the ground anymore, so except for this one. This one was doing the oil change, spilled all over the place, but ignore that one. So it looks as if the oil pan did its job on not leaking with the epoxies. JB Weld, it's not even leaking anymore. Anyways, so it is effective. It's better than the JB Weld putty. This is just mainly just a temporary fix before it actually gets thing to replace it like an OEM or get it welded. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys in the temporary run for you guys static guys. So will be another video coming up. I'm probably going to be working on the passenger seat. That has to be replaced soon, so I'm going to have to find that sooner or later. So peace.